spoke up. Hold up, I'm on that grown-up stuff. I be the butt of your joke, cause I can hold my cup. You jumped in that tub, you're trying to soak it up. You chose to go and get stuck, I'm not your gold rush. Yeah, I showed up, was hoping to post up. Every few moments you move more closer. I noticed the donuts, I'm open to no such, like it's my obligation to show love. You know what? Yeah, you know what? Yeah, I came to party, but I don't wanna party with you. You know I ain't nobody. Yeah, I came to party, but I don't wanna party with you. That's when it became apparent that you accustomed to the ways of embarrassment. I want no place in your experiment, but if I walk away, you'll blame it on my arrogance. Let's make this clear, I'm not your therapist. There is no interest in hearing about your carelessness. I'd rather disappear like a spirit, just lift into the air. Carry me away from where this is, I'm not hearing it. Yeah, I came to party, but I don't wanna party with you. You know I ain't nobody. Yeah, I came to party, but I don't wanna party with you. Looking around for a cause to get lost to. The drop-off's too deep to try to cross through. There's no crown for the fishermen that caught you. So this the sound of me whistling.